with a round of applause for each one of you. Let's clap. Are you enjoying? Yes, only 3 people are saying yes. Are you enjoying? Lovely, that's the spirit.
Guys, we all can spread out and occupy the space. That's okay. We are going to start with the warm-up. Let's spread out. So everyone can take part. All of the people who are sitting over there, they can also participate. Just come in. It's going to be all fun.
I request the media to have a special limelight on our Miss Kiran, who's come especially from Akola, and I'm really interested, ma'am, कि आप कैसे दौड़ोगे, and you know I really like to know your story. Lovely. So media team, we have a lot of press people here. You all are going to be covered, and just sorry, wait. So the orange color. Actually, this year the theme orange also relates to fire, right? Fire, is it always rising upwards or it goes downwards? Rising upwards, right? That's our spirit. With everything that we do today, it's going to be from the heart, and let this run help you rise upwards. Over to Ved.
Yep, guys. So, how's everyone? Guys, energy. I know it's cold, but guys.
How's the Josh?
How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? पीछे वाले जोशी तो नहीं है. Guys, again. How's the Josh? Just the back people. How's the Josh? Okay, all cool, all cool, all cool. So my name is Ved.
And I'm Kavita, like I introduced myself. I'm Kavita. Yes.
So let's get ready. Let's get all warmed up. All cool? All set? So let's get on the MIT ADT team for the warm-up.
Inviting the MIT ADT team on the stage for the warm-up.
Guys, give a huge round of applause.
सभी लोग वार्म अप करेंगे. It's important that before we start running, even if it is 1 kilometer, guys, right? You all are into sports. You all are runners, so you all know it. So everyone, please participate in the warm-up. Over to the MIT ADT team.
Hello. See. Hello. Hello. Check. Check. A very good morning, everyone. A beautiful morning to everyone. Before starting the warm-up exercises, some general instruction to everyone. First, very important thing, as per your comforts, do the movements. Don't overstress the activities and all. If any medical condition is there where the restriction need to be maintained, follow according to the medical instructions, what practices need to be done. Make sure you focus on the instructor and the practitioner when the practice is happening. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Yes, this feels good morning now. Okay, now we will start the warm-up toe to head. So, lift your right leg up and start your ankle movement. 2, 3, 4. Change. Left leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we will do knee rotation. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we will do hip rotation. Shoulder width apart, your legs. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we will do shoulder rotations. Join your all the fingers tip together. Keep it on your shoulder. Elbows together and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wrist rotation. Make a fist. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, neck up and down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to your chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to your chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Come back to the center. Right ear to your right shoulder. Inhale, up. Exhale, change. Inhale, up. Exhale, change. Inhale, up. Exhale, change. Come back to the center. Now look back from your right shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale, change. Inhale, come back. Exhale, change. Inhale, come back. And exhale, change. Come back to the center. Chin to your chest and start rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, किसी को अभी भी ठंड लग रही है? No, very good. अगर किसी को लग रही है तो डेफिनेटली इस एक्सरसाइज के बाद ठंड बंद हो जाएगी. Now we will start jumping jacks. So what you have to do? Jump up and change. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 faster. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. गई ठंड? Yes. चलो, come on. Now we will do jumping. So first forward jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, a little difficult cross jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, don't give up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Okay, now we will do some aerobics. Okay, ready? Chalo, everyone walk. Yes, very good. Keep walking. Claps. Very good, very good. Keep doing. continue. One more. We are not stopping, continue, keep walking. Very good, continue. Very good, continue. Change your hand. One more. Okay now, last one. Ready? Chalo, jog, very good. Yes, clap. Go sideways. Wow, you all very good. Excellent. Good morning. Jump. We like your spirit. Silent today, excellent verbally. Very good. Remember to do everything staying connected to your heart because this is a heartful run. Ready? Breathe. Hold. Yes. One more. Ready? Faster now. Roll.
Check. Nice, everyone. Let's raise our positivity more higher, everybody. Let's do some laughing therapy more. 30 seconds. Continue, so your core will become more stronger. Okay, everyone? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Should be more louder. 1, 2, 3, start. More louder. 1, 2, 3, start. Last and final. It should be completely surrounding. Start. 1, 2, 3, start. Nice, thank you.
साईज
Did you enjoy the Zumba session? Yes. Great. Is Prabhanjan around? Is Prabhanjan around? Prabhanjan and team, are you around? Is Prabhanjan and team around? Great. We are just about to be having our guests with us. How many of you know Mr. Jagannath Dikshit? Or how many of you know Dikshit diet? How many of you know Dikshit diet? Okay, we have some hands going up here. So he'll be one of our guests today and we are just going to wait for him. If Prabhanjan and team is here, please if you could just come on stage. Okay, in the meantime, how many of you are going to run the 10 kilometers? 10 kilometers run. Okay, superb. Please could you come on my left? All the 10 kilometers run. Could you please come on my left? Thank you so much. All those who are running the 10 kilometers marathon, the Brazilian green cartoons run 10 kilometers. Okay, super. Yes, we can be in this area only. You don't need to come on this. Welcome, Dr. Patil, and happy to see you. Yes. Those who are running the 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. Okay, super. 5 kilometers. Can you jump in a place? Good morning, guys. 5 kilometers. No, you have to go higher. That means you need to go higher than the speed, right? Alright, okay. 5 kilometers. Later it will just be easier for us to flag off the runs. So we just do a little bit of prep. किरण मैडम कहाँ हैं आप? किरण मैडम, किरण मुंडरा मैडम कहाँ हैं आप? आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए. अच्छा 3 किलोमीटर कौन भागने वाले? Yes, thank you. Right in front of me please. 3 kilometers. Superb. And finally we come to the 1 kilometer run. Please, if you could line up right in front of me here. अच्छा, एक important सवाल है. Silence. एक important सवाल ये है, क्या ये रेस है? आ जाओ, this triple for the youngest runner. आ जाओ स्टेज में आ जाओ. Yo, let's clap for the yo boy. Superb. What's your name?
Idyan.
Sorry. आ जाओ, यहाँ आ जाइए.
Idyan.
इध्यान, कहाँ रहते हो?
Ivy Bilabile.
आईवी बिला बी लेन में रहता है. ओके, सो बी लेन वाले कितने लोग हैं यहाँ? आईवी बी लेन. सो यू हैव अ वेरी गुड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ओवर हियर. हाँ, चलो कितना किलोमीटर आप दौड़ने वाले? 3 kilometers. Wow, let's clap for him. Idyan, how old are you?
7.
Which school you go to?
Sanskriti.
संस्कृति. आपको कुछ मैसेज देना है? यहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं, कुछ बोलना है? बोलो उनको. अगर आपको मोटिवेट करना है तो कैसे करोगे?
Complete the race, everyone.
Whoa! Complete the race, everyone. Okay.
Is it a race? Is it a race?
Is it a race? क्या रेस है? क्या हम इसलिए दौड़ रहे हैं कि एक दूसरे से कम्पीट करके हम जीत सके?
नहीं.
तो क्यों दौड़ रहे हैं हम? आपको क्या लगता है?
Physical activities.
फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. वेरी गुड इध्यान, वेरी नाइस. और कुछ? आप किसके साथ आए हो यहाँ पे?
मेरा भाई और मेरे पापा.
अच्छा, भाई और पापा. कैन द भाई कम अप ऑन स्टेज? वेयर इज द भाई? Okay, so 443 and 444. आप कितना किलोमीटर्स रन करो?
5.
5 kilometers. How old are you?
12.
12. You are 7, right? And you are 12. What is your name?
Riyansh.
Riyansh. Riyansh, would you like to give them a message? आपको क्या? Why are you here? कितने बजे आप सुबह उठे? कैसे? What motivated you to come here? You can hold the mic.
It is just to finish the race and run for your health.
Is it a race? Is it a race?
It's a race without winning.
Beautiful. Or rather, it is winning without a race. Thank you, Riyansh. Thank you, Idyan. Can we have a picture? I'm sure already le chuke. Can we have Ved? Ved, please come. Thank you so much. Thanks to 4333, Miss father of both these kids, that you're here. All right.
So guys, do you know the purpose why we are running today? Any idea?
Preserve the planet.
Okay.
To help the planet.
That's awesome. That's exactly the point. So yeah, please can you take the mic? Guys, give a big round of applause. So why are we running?
We are running to help the planet. To plant more trees.
That's perfect.
We are like running to promote you should commute less by vehicles and not produce more pollution. Vote by running on.
That's perfect. Guys,
My name is Javik. Javik.
Javik.
Jaivik. Quite unique names, Jaivik.
Yes, it
What
is.
is the meaning of your name? Would you like
It
to?
means pure and divine.
Wow. Pure and divine, it matches so well with our
Motto.
heartfulness, our motto. Are you practicing meditation?
Yes.
Okay. Could you,
That's awesome.
how old are you?
I'm 13.
13.
Well, just turned 14 yesterday.
Okay,
hey,
so
belated happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Thank you.
lovely.
Thank
Yes.
you.
So it's no.
Okay.
Would you like to say anything? How would you
Can
like to
you
connect
just hold this? I want to tie my
meditation
legs.
and
Okay,
physical fitness?
Sure.
संभाल के पकड़ना. You
In
have
order
to
to
line
achieve
by
the full potential of your physical fitness, you have to first achieve your inner fitness. You have to achieve your mental fitness first. Until you do that, until and unless you don't do that, you won't be able to achieve your full potential.
Thank you, Jaivik. I learned some very new, good words. Inner fitness, right? And the meaning of your name is pure and divine. That's lovely. Thank you so much.
Awesome. So guys, everyone knows the name of the run. It's green, heartfulness, and run, right? So the first portion, green, it shows environmental sustainability. And under this, we have the initiative called as Forest by Heartfulness. Any guesses how many trees we have planted
10 minutes.
till now?
I think we'll start with the
Million,
practice.
that sounds like
सब हो गया.
far-fetched,
सब
right?
हो.
We have planted over 2
Start कर
million
लेते हैं तो
trees.
भैया. एक 10
Over 20 lakh trees, guys.
We have to start. We'll start with
And in that
10 kilometers
lab,
flag of
we have also saved 80 plus endangered species, which are about to go extinct. Again, the second word, which is heartfulness, it shows mental well-being. So everyone goes through emotional distress. Everyone can relate with stress, that feeling to be heard. So we also have another initiative called as Voice That Cares, which is a helpline where you can call up and tell them how you are feeling. It's basically psychological first aid. Like, abhi aap run karoge, if you get some injury, the first step is the first aid, right? Similarly, if you feel some distress, this is the psychological first aid. That's the point. And the third part, run. So again, physical fitness. So we are covering all three pillars. Physical fitness, mental fitness, and environmental sustainability. That's why we are here today.
Great. Thank you, Ved. Yes. So once again, a warm welcome to each one of you present here to the third edition of the Granules Green Heartfulness Run. It is in collaboration with the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Sports and Fit India movement. It's organized by Heartfulness, which is an institute present in over 160 countries. We won't keep you long. We are going to flag off the 10 kilometers. So those who are going to run the 10 kilometers, we can get ready. I'll be just giving some guidelines and we'll be flagging off the 10 kilometers very soon. The main objective is here to connect more than 40,000 people through this run. It's happening in 80 different locations. All right. So just before we begin, there are some important guidelines, things that I would like to share. The route map is going to be displayed, so you all can just check for the route map. There are four categories: 1 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 5 and 10 kilometers. Washroom facilities are available right at the corner there, the white space that you can see. Ambulances and doctors are here with us. I hope we don't need any of them, right? So I hope we don't need any doctors or, so we really need to be fit. Of course, they are here to motivate us and we are very happy to have them here. We have cycle marshals who will be helping you out throughout the run. So in case you need any kind of help when you're running, there will be many people on the cycle, so you can just ask them. Our cycle marshals will be there. Glucose, banana, oranges will be served on the route in case you need them. We have police officers and traffic police deployed throughout the racetrack. And most important, the do's and don'ts. Like we already said that this is not a race. We are here for a purpose. And do not try to rush, push. Just take it easy. अगर किसी को run नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ you just want to walk, please feel free to do that. Okay. So just before we begin, yes.
So have a quick fitness test. How many of you can sit down on the ground?
Fitness test. Wow.
Let's see.
How many of you can sit down on the ground?
Cross leg.
Cross leg.
Cross leg. People in the back, can you sit down on the ground, cross leg?
वेद, ये फिटनेस टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है. I like it.
So let's try and relax all the stress out of our body and have a relaxation. Works? So I invite Miss Anjali to carry the relaxation.
Now you all must be wondering, thank you Miss Anjali for being here. She's a regional head for Maharashtra and Goa. Ma'am, please. Let's clap for her. Thank you for being with us. It really makes all of us feel really motivated. So you all must be thinking कि हम तो यहाँ दौड़ लगाने आए, अब ये हमें relaxation क्यों करवा रहे हैं? Some of you, कितने लोग ऐसे सोच रहे हैं? Honestly बताओ कि दौड़ना है, अब relax क्यों करवा रहे हो? Yes, thank you, lovely. So there is a purpose for that, why we are doing the relaxation. I think I'll come back to that after we do the relaxation. My only request to you is be open, be silent as the relaxation starts. We request, please do not talk or move around. All those who are standing, we request you to please sit somewhere so that you can benefit from this. Over to Miss Anjali.
A very good morning to everyone. Let's experience heartfulness relaxation and then you can see the magic happen after that. So I request everyone to please be seated very comfortably, as comfortably as possible. close your eyes very softly and very gently. Take a deep breath in and let go. Let's begin with the toes. Wiggle your toes. And now feel them relax. Feel a relaxing energy move up through the soles of your feet, your ankles, your calves, right up to your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax your hips, stomach, abdomen, and deeply relax your waist. Gently move your awareness to your back. From the top to the bottom, your entire back is now completely relaxed. Relax your chest and shoulders. Feel all the stress from your shoulders is simply melting away. Relax your upper arms, your forearms, your hands, right up to your fingertips. Relax all the muscles in your neck. Gently move your awareness to your head. Relax your jaw and your chin. Relax all the muscles in your mouth. Relax your nose, your eyes, your eyebrows, your forehead, your cheeks, all your facial muscles. Relax all the muscles in your scalp. Right up to the roots of your hair. Experience how your entire body is now completely relaxed, refreshed, recharged. Very gently bring your awareness to your heart and rest here for a few seconds. When you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. I hope this relaxation has helped to bring all your focus, your energy, your concentration to one place, and it will help you give your best, keep you energized, joyful, and cheerful. All the best to today's participants. Have a lovely run, and let's all stay connected even after this marathon. Thank you.
थांबायला होता हाँ अभी उनको बुलाओ फेलिसिटेशन के लिए फेलिसिटेशन के बुलाओ डॉक्टर दीक्षित को एंड शी विल फेलिसिट
Thank you so much, Miss Anjali. Would anyone just like to share how are you feeling after the relaxation? Anyone? Yes, we request sir to please 585. Thank you.
Very energetic.
Very energetic. Yes. So, just I would like to share. लाइफ को भी हम एक रेस की तरह ही देखते हैं, सिर्फ दौड़ते ही रहते हैं. And if we cultivate this practice of being connected to our hearts at all time, in whatever we are doing, we'll see a change and a difference in us. So my request to you today, when you are running, you run, but see, observe yourself how you're feeling within. Decide how many trees you're going to plant. Our 3 objectives: mental wellness, physical fitness, we are already doing that, and environment sustainability. These are our 3 major points, our purpose, why we are here today. Over to you, Ved. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so we have our guest today, Dr. Jagannath Dixit sir. So, can you have a huge round of applause for Dr. Jagannath Dixit sir? So, just to give a brief introduction about sir, sir is famous for his research in the field of holistic health, not rather than just pointing out one single side, but covering all of it, and especially his initiatives in diabetes reversal. He's also famous for his very well-known Dixit diet. So let's felicitate sir. I would like to call Ms. Anjali Bapat. Felicitate sir.
Sir has set
Shweta ma'am.
many world records, I'm sure, if you have not read.
Shweta Vakil ma'am. Felicitate sir.
A round of applause. So this painting has been made by the students of SNBP. Lovely. Thank you. Ms. Anjali Bapat, illustrating Dr. Jagannath Dixit, the Diabetes Reversal Program, and one of our partners, the Adore Trust. So, one very important thing, we also have a talk by Sir today. So, do not leave once, we'll tell you when the talk is there. I'm sure you'd all like to know more about it. So, do not leave the premise without listening and taking so much of knowledge. Personally, I would like to share that we met first. My mother is also going to him, and her diabetes has been reversing. So I am a testimony to that. Thank you, sir. We request Ms. Shweta Vakil to please come on stage. And a round of applause. The beauty, the greenery, the colors, the good buildings, the venue that you can see here. Thanks to Ms. Shweta Vakil, who is the principal of the SNBP College and our venue partner. Ma'am loves painting, and she's the principal of SNBP International School from nursery to grade 12. Teaching, she says, is a passion for her. So she's a mother of 2 children. I request our team to please felicitate Ms. Shweta Vakil.
I would like to call upon Mr. Gautam Birade,
Sir, please.
who is the director of Pune Metro. So we have come with us here.
Mr. Gautam Birade, the Executive Director, Pune Metro Project. So thank you, we all are enjoying. कितने लोगों ने metro में travel किया है अभी तक? How do you feel about it?
Metro in Wagholi.
So soon it is coming, yeah.
Metro coming in Wagholi is a dream come true for all of us sitting here, sir. We look forward for welcoming it at earliest.
In fact, it has already been sanctioned by state government and the proposal has gone to central government. So in times to come, definitely it will come. Thank you for patronage.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So we are just requesting all the 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers to, we'll be flagging of these two marathons. You all can please come near the gate. Please do not cross. Now we'll also, please from my right side, please come from this side, from my right side. Please start walking to my right. Thank you so much.
The 10 kilometers pack will lead it and then followed by the 5 kilometers section. And we'll have the mashal lighting ceremony right now.
We'll be having the lighting of the mashal. हम मशाल से शुरुआत करेंगे. मशाल लाइट करेंगे और 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers. How are you feeling guys? 10 kilometers. I can't hear it. 10 kilometers.
वो मैं और चाहिए आएगा तो अच्छा ऐसा ऐसा
I can see a team here in Green Sunrise Hills. Green Sunrise Hills team, how are you this morning? Lovely. They are one of our partners. Thank you, Green Sunrise Hills, for your support. We also would like to thank all our sponsors, our venue partner, SNDP International School, Vinga Jewelers, Forests by Heartfulness, High Bar, Aadhar Poonawalla, the Adore Trust, LK Silicons, Adventure IIT, and MIT ADP University. We thank all of you.
कैमरा इधर है पानी पी क्या है Good morning. You're live. You're live on YouTube.
Excuse me.
On your marks. साइकिल मार्शल, यस यस यस, साइकिल मार्शल, परफेक्ट. ओके. गिव वे, बाजू हो जाओ, बाजू हो जाओ. Come on! Thank you so much for coming today, sir. 10 kilometers. Five started? No, 5 next. 5 minutes हो जाएगा. 10 kilometers. Just 10 kilometers. Flag off of 5 kilometers. Line up. Line up करो 5 kilometers. Get set. Ready? Go! आप ये शूज डाल के 5, go, 5, go, 5, keep going, come on, 5, back up, okay, next, 3 kilometers, after 3, 1. हाँ बाजू हो जाओ बस को जाने दो. एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर से मिला आर्टिकल्स के सर ने हमें बहुत हेल्प की. परमिशन का आदेश नहीं से आया.
अबे 3 किलोमीटर.
अरे इधर जो गो भाई गो चल. परवार आपको 1 के स्टार्ट हो गया नहीं. Why you will be back in टीम कम बैक लेंगे. बहुत बिठा के रखा हमें एक मजा करना. बहुत मुश्किल ही बेचा. 3 kilometers, come on, 3. कब ला रहे हो सर? इनके हाथ में ही है मेट्रो को ला रहे. 3 kilometers आ जाओ. Get set, go, back up, come on, 3 kilometers, run. वन वाले सब वहीं पे बैठे हैं. बाद में नहीं इनको फिर बुलान को Hello, yeah, you are live on YouTube.
assumption, okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Lift your leg. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another leg. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
हाँ लूज डन विथ वार्म अप थोड़ा और कार्डियो विल डू सॉन्ग्स
Yeah. So let's have it a bit later. And
Okay.
all the runners can line up at the. We'll flag you off soon. So everyone, all warmed up? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Let's get running. Okay, from there you guys can come near the gate. And we'll start the run.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're live on YouTube.
Please wait near the gate. We also have
You're live on YouTube. You're live on YouTube. You're live on YouTube. Wave your hands, you're live. You're live on YouTube.
Not Mangalore. We're talking about India. Ishita Didi is in Mangalore.
We can see the MIT ABD team running on the track. Let's clap for them. Superb.
चल 1 किलोमीटर
केलं माहिती
हाँ
केलं 1 किलोमीटर
केलं तू
हा
आज 1 किलोमीटर आत्ता चालू होतं. बरं ठीक आहे, इट्स ओके. हर्ष आणि हे सगळे आले आहेत. 2 मिनटं इथेच थांब. धावून रन करून आलास तू? बरं, मग इथेच थांब 2 मिनटं. थांब कर. What is this stall about? Adventure IIT free books for students. Wow, thank you. Hi everybody, you are live on YouTube. You want to say something?
Yes.
Introduce yourselves and
We are from Heartfulness and we are here to volunteer.
awesome. You are live on YouTube. You want to say something about being volunteer? Yes. बोले हिंदी में बोलिए, मराठीमध्ये बोला, काही पण हरकत नाही. काय करताय तुम्ही इथे?
मी ब्रोशर देतो बिंग व्हॉलंटियर.
हां, आणि काय संस्था काय करते?
संस्था ही 4 मध्ये काम करते.
बरं.
गव्हर्नमेंट एंगेजमेंट आणि याच्या संदर्भात
बरं
त्याचे ब्रोशर देतो.
बरं. तुम्ही मला याचं URL द्या, मी या लाईव्ह यूट्यूबच्या इथे टाकून देईल डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये. गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते नमस्ते. Please introduce yourself, what you are doing here.
We are at the baggage counter.
You are the baggage counter. Thank you. Thank you. You are live on YouTube. Would you like to tell us what you are doing here?
दीक्षित सर का जो है तो
हाँ
हाफ
जी.
मैराथन है
हाँ जी.
5 जनवरी को.
हाँ जी.
आप उसको रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं और हमारा ये डायबिटीज़ फ्री ऑफ सेंटर है
जी.
जहाँ पर डायबिटीज़ की पूरी जानकारी मिलती है
जी.
और फ्री में पूरा ट्रीटमेंट होता है.
जी.
अगर किसी को आना है तो जंगली महाराज रोड पर हमारा सेंटर है, वहाँ पर आकर ट्रीटमेंट ले सकते हैं.
आपका ऑफिस जंगली महाराज रोड
जंगली
पे
महाराज
है.
रोड पर हमारा
क्लिनिक है. वहाँ पे होलिस्टिक हेल्थ, डायबिटीज, रिवर्सल सब वहाँ पे कोई भी जा सकता है.
उसका पूरा ये है, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर वगैरह सब है इस पर.
हमें आपका वो यूट्यूब में डाल दूंगा. और ये जो मैराथन है, दीक्षित लाइफस्टाइल हाफ मैराथन, नेहरू स्टेडियम स्वारगेट, 5 जनवरी को ये होने वाला है. तो सबको अनुरोध है कि आप इसको भी ज्वाइन करें. ये अभी 1-1.5 महीने के बाद है, तो बाय दैट टाइम यू कैन प्रिपेयर. थैंक यू सर.
1 किलोमीटर में भागेंगे. नाम बता दो. Good morning, Ashil bhai.
गुड मॉर्निंग. व्हाट इज दिस काउंटर अबाउट?
This
You are
counter
live
for
by the
lucky-
way on YouTube.
Yes, this is for lucky draw.
Lucky draw.
Yes, we are
Who is feeling lucky today? Who is feeling lucky? Yay! Okay, so you are from Kalyani School. Would you like to tell us something about your school? You are live on YouTube. You are volunteer.
Student, they were going to come over here and we'll have to write 3 hours for them. Then see them.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
तुमचं नाव सांगा ना. हरी.
My first type.
Say hi. You are live on YouTube. So this is a registration counter for the marathon for people who come in late, even after the marathon starts. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Give me one brochure. I'll put on YouTube. I'll put all this. चलो चलो. हाँ, you're on live, boss. YouTube. चलो भागो.
भाग रे बाबा. भागना पड़ेगा.
भाग मिल्खा भाग. अरे वाह वाह वाह. What an inspiration. That is what is called as participation. Very nice. Very good, very good. Family going together. Wonderful. तो आर यू वॉलंटियर्स, पार्टिसिपेंट्स, क्या हो क्या आप लोग? हाँ, यू आर लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब. हाँ,
I am a volunteer.
you are a volunteer. Being volunteer.
Yes.
What about you?
Volunteer.
Volunteer. What about you? Very good. Very good. Thank you for your service and work. Fantastic marathon event today, and people are still coming. So I can still see some people have started running right now. MIT editing team, you are live on YouTube. Please give us a message. मोठा नाही.
Vikram sir is here.
Vikram sir, please.
Health is wealth, peace is inside you. So it need to be managed in practical way. When words comes, practicality does not comes. When practicality comes, word does not comes.
Wonderful. Please tell us about MIT ADT University.
See, it's a very large organization which having the subdivisions in different places. In Lunicolbo, MIT ADT has been organized in such a way that all the students who having different streams can be accommodated in different way. So that will give them a guidance of a complete holistic approach. MIT, we are the part of the MIT ADT as a school of holistic development, which look forward for development of all the holistic approach for the students, which concern related to health is one of the parameters, and other parameters are the intellectual way like English communication, Cambridge skills, like all multi-dimensional skills developments are taken place in the form of personality development.
Wonderful. What a great partner to have for this marathon. Thank you so much. Yes, Green Sunrise Hill. Please give, you're live on YouTube. Please give a message for all the audiences watching across the world.
We are very enthusiastic to run with Heartfulness. Basically, it's not just a marathon or running, it's about all over the greenery. So, Green Sunrise Hill team, along with Heartfulness, planted many plants on this barren hill and convert to lush green forest. Basically. Thanks, Heartfulness.
So please tell us a little bit more about Green Sunrise. Aaiye na, Green Sunrise, please stand here. Green Sunrise, aaiye. So there are a lot more people from Green Sunrise who are here. Please tell us more about what you are doing as part of Green Sunrise, not just in Wagholi but elsewhere also. Aaiye. हाँ जी, introduce yourself and then tell us.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सूर्या राणा है. I am with GSS from last 7.5 years. With respect to the GSS, so the backside of the hill that we have was a complete barren 7 years back, right? So far we have planted more than 25k in this particular locations. We have two more locations. One is in the Perni and other is in the Kedshivapur, where we have planted last year more than let's say 5k we have there, and it's doing well, right? So it's what I would like to say is this is not the efforts from our team. This is efforts from all the community, right? And this is
tell us a little bit about your cross section of your volunteers. Who are your volunteers?
Our volunteers are basically the people like us, right? We have a small volunteers like this one, the small kid, right? So we are very eager to involve them because then only they would understand going forward, like what is the importance of having this tree in our life, right?
Yes.
And other volunteers and other the volunteers that we are looking forward is these school students, the college students, the organizations, the people from the different organizations. All those people are what that we would like to involve them going forward and make this earth the happiest place to live.
Wonderful, wonderful. One last one sentence message for everyone for green planet, climate control, whatever you want to say.
Basically, sustainability is very important. In plantation, I mean, it's not just plantation, it's all about sustainability. Like we grow our child, we need to grow our plant. And everyone need to contribute. At least one plant from one person.
Great job, Green Sunrise Hill, for all your work. The young people, the elders, everyone is here in full strength to support the Green Heartfulness run. And Green Sunrise Hill has been doing fantastic work in Wagholi on plantation and everything. So thank you, Green Sunrise Hill. Thank you so much. You are live on YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to give a message for Green Heartfulness Run? Some message for everyone, for young people specifically. And you are having your breakfast. Did you run? Okay, I don't think so he ran. Chalo, tell us something. You are live on YouTube. You are live.
Okay, so this Heartfulness, it is a really a very good community where you can meditate and find peace in life, and you can go to brighter world and it is arranging stuffs like marathon because like for study and working there is a lot of pressure, and we should always have some thing to just lighten that stress, and thus activities like running or nature walk, they can improve our health. So that is why it is really important to take a time around nature and enjoy the beauty.
What is your name and where do you stay?
My name is Darshni Saraswat and I stay over here in Ivy Estate.
In Ivy State. Okay. What? Tell your name, where do you stay, and give us a message. No? Tell your name at least then.
Bhairavi.
Bhairavi. And where do you stay?
Pasha.
Pasha. Thank you, Bhairavi. Thank you. Bye. मैं तो सब स्पॉट इंटरव्यूज ले रहा हूँ. So we are here with one of our sponsor partners. You are live on YouTube, sir. Please tell us something about Adventure IIT in brief.
So, sir, Adventure IIT is trying to bring a change in the way JEE coaching is done.
Okay.
So currently, if you name like JEE, एक word साथ में आता है, that is stress.
बहुत stressful है.
We want to elevate it to some extent that how things can be managed. So apart from academics, we give full attention to the mental health.
Wonderful.
To the concentration, to the physical well-being of this.
Wonderful.
This is the thing which we are trying to do differently in this sector.
Sir, and where are you based?
So, sir, we have currently 2 centers at Wagoli Back Road and in Kharadi in Nyati Ureka near Manipal Hospital.
Okay. I will take your information. I'll put your URL in the YouTube description. So anyone who wants to approach you, they can directly come. You are live on YouTube. Thank you so much for your time.
और ले लो इनके साथ ले लो.
Hi everyone, you are live on YouTube. Would you like to give a message? You want to tell the world what you're doing here, or what you think, what you are passionate about apart from poha? Poha is too good. Okay, all right. But anything else? मराठी हिंदी पण चालेल, काही हरकत नाहीये. Green Marathon में tasty poha, highlight of the day. Anyone else? You are live on YouTube. Come on, this is a chance to tell the world what you feel strongly. हाँ जी, बताइए.
पोहे खाऊनच ऍक्च्युली एनर्जी येईल.
All right, thank you. Enjoy your poha. Thank you, thank you. So we have here teacher from SNBP and we have Gautam who has been a volunteer. How has been the experience today?
Very excited.
Very excited.
Well planned, very well organized.
All right. And I'm getting feedback that the poha is also delicious.
Yes, obviously. Very delicious.
All right, thank you. You're live on YouTube. And here's the team that is serving delicious poha. You are live on YouTube. A lot of people are saying that the poha is very nice. It's giving them a lot of energy. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you team. डॉक्टर साहब आप कुछ मैसेज दीजिए. वेलनेस का मैसेज दीजिए कुछ.
मैसेज कि नहीं, सब लोगों ने आना चाहिए मैराथन में, भागना चाहिए, हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. And this is one of the participants. Please give your name and how many kilometers did you run?
I run 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. And who is this person next to you?
My grandfather.
Grandfather. Did he run? No. He was waiting for you here. Okay. And where do you study?
In this school.
Oh, same school. SNBP school.
Yes.
And did you have breakfast? Why not? Are everybody is saying that the poha is very, very delicious. You should have the poha or banana or something. Come, I will get you. Come, chalo. Stand here. Stand here. Stand here. Stand here and get this thing in the line. Chalo. Breakfast लो.
हमारा एक्चुअली कैसा है तो
And we can see that there is some green modeling happening here. So what are you trying to, what is the message that you want to give to the world? You're live.
Actually, I'm just making them know that this is a selfie. And
Try to set it. Okay. What message do you have, ma'am?
So this is a very good initiative. So I think everybody should contribute to nature also, and their health is important. And with nature you can do it. So Green Heartfulness Run is doing that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Everyone who has completed their runs and get accumulated over here, and the fourth area will also have proper stepping. After the refreshments are done, everyone can come over here and then we will have the first.
So I'm your host Harshal. We were live here at the SNBP school for the Green Heartfulness Run. You can see the excitement that was there right from the beginning. This is our venue partner, SNBP School, and it has been a fantastic morning. With this, we will now kind of come to an end of our live broadcast. Thank you so much for joining us, and please make sure that you participate in wellness runs, heartfulness run, and whatever heartfulness has to offer. Thank you. Yes. झालं का ब्रेकफास्ट
करतो ना.
चल 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 चल.
एक अराउंड 5 किलोमीटरचा होता ना.
कुठला मल्टिपल होते 10, 5, 3, 1. तू कुठपर्यंत गेलास?
असं इकडे जाऊन
असं दे. तू त्या एंडपर्यंत गेलास का? हां मग तो 3 किलोमीटर 5 किलोमीटर JSPM कडे जातो.